All right, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're looking at one of my favorites, SoFi. Okay, and first off, we're gonna give you guys the bullish price targets. Okay, so that's gonna be all of these lines right here, 1464. We already hit this bullish price target pre-market. So we need to see if when market opens, if we can rally up and hit and go back to this bullish price target of 1345. Our breakout level was right here at 1233, and we broke past that in after hours yesterday. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom in here. So this is our breakout level. Okay, we came down, we found support along this base support level. All right, and we rallied super hard. Okay, so it rallied really hard. We hit past the breakout level, then we hit our first bullish price target pre-market. We're consolidating, finding some support around the breakout level, and we're heading back up. Okay, so as long as we're above this blue line here, we're in breakout territory to possibly hit our bullish price targets. All right, now if we break this breakout level, what we're going to want to see from SoFi is keep this base support level. Okay, we're going to want to see it stay above 11.2, right, which is where it closed yesterday. That's what we're going to be looking for to see if SoFi can continue the rally, right? If you're not already in SoFi from yesterday, I would be hesitant to hop in it towards today, right? Because it reacted real positively, and we need to see if that reaction is going to continue in normal market trading hours, right? Because this is all after hours trading and this is all pre-market. So what I would recommend is look to see if we're going to bounce off of this breakout level at 1233, right? Or if we don't, then I would hop out of SoFi. Okay, if we can't hold 1233 as support, I would get out of SoFi because potentially we could head back down to 11.2 after the overreaction on earnings. But if this bullishness continues, okay, all we got to do is break past 13.45, and our next bullish price target is 1464, right around 15. Okay. In my previous video on SoFi, we'll pull up the other drawing real quick. Give me 1 second. All right. And this is going to be kind of like the main thing that we're looking for. Okay. So we have this pattern right here. This is our descending wedge, falling wedge, bullish pattern. Okay. When this, when this pattern happens, you can look for a breakout to take us up to here or up to here. All right. Not in one day necessarily, but over the next, few days, maybe the next week, if we get a bullish breakout like we're having today, right? We already know we're going to be up above this line. Just by looking at the 1 hour chart. This is the daily chart. The market hasn't opened yet, but if we get this pattern to play out, we could head all the way up to like 15, even 17 over the next week or two with SoFi if the bullishness continues, right? But overall, this thing has been in a bearish channel. All right. That's what these purple lines are. It's signifying, hey, the stock is doing nothing but going down right now. It's in a downtrend. We're making lower lows, and we're not making higher highs yet. All right. So that's what we need to do on SoFi. We need to break out of this pattern and start making some higher highs, higher than these previous levels here. We need to make a higher high than here and here and here, then here, and then here. Okay. So these are the areas we need to reclaim for SoFi to, show us that, hey, maybe this bearish cycle is over. We break out the bearish channel and, we start heading up towards 18. Now, I don't expect this to happen super quick. Like I said, that this pattern may take a week or two to play out, fully once we have the breakout from here. So that's kind of like the main things that I'm looking at right now. Okay, guys, on SoFi, definitely one of my favorites, and very happy to see it reacting very positively to earnings. Just hoping that, we can see this bullishness continue. Okay. Even on this chart, the price levels I have on here are pretty valid. All right. As you can see, this was a valid resistance level here. We bounced off of it, support 2 times. Now it's resistance again. And now it's resistance again 3 times in the morning. Okay. So, really good stuff going on with SoFi. Remember, none of this is financial advice, but we did actually end up having the inverse head and shoulders play out yesterday. I was really surprised by that. I thought that SoFi was gonna dip a little bit more pre-market and like continue dipping, but it was very nice. We had a very nice strong open on SoFi, and that inverse head and shoulders played out nicely. And if you stayed in the play, even through yesterday's, drop, it was very nice to see that SoFi continued that bullishness. Okay. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any stocks you'd like me to chart up for you, I do viewer requests all the time. So let me know in the comment section down below what stocks you guys are looking at, what you want me to chart up. If you need a small time frame, if you're trying to do a short swing trade or day trade, if you're looking at some long-term investment buy zones, holler at me in the comment section. Okay. And you can also join the Option Trading Tycoons Discord below and trade with us in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. If you use code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades, you'll get a discount on the membership. Okay.